What's up? 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 What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, wherever you are. Yeah, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Jamaican. Yes, my name is Jamaican Boy Africa. Kindly, guys, if you are the new, if it's your first time to see this face, it's your first time to see this face, kindly, guys, subscribe, like, comment, share. Yeah, stay tuned. The video is very amazing. My name is Jamaican Boy Africa. So kindly, guys, yeah, today I have decided to start my vlog from this point here. As you can see, I'm in a bush. Doing what? Okay, if you want to know doing what in a bush, guys, kindly, I am on the way. Going to the river, to take shower. Yeah, to take shower, guys. Yeah, so kindly, guys, stay tuned. The video is very amazing. Jamaican Boy Africa is my name, guys. Kindly, we are together. Together. Stay tuned. We are together. Kindly stay tuned. Together. We are together.
ella vamos. No. Creo que era muy bien.
Hey. Oi. Yes, guys, so here we are just sketching. And this is what we call landscape. Yes, we are just scaping here. Yeah, just want to plant the glass. Here. Yeah, so that this place here, it can be it look very amazing. Yeah, you know, I like the environment when it's clean and it has the flower. Yeah, so I'm here with my nephew. Many nephews here. Many nephews. Pause.
Watoto gani hao? Kuna watoto. Watoto. Wanalia usiku.
Yeah, pause. So here, guys, you want to plant a flower. Pause. So here I want just to plant a flower. Yeah, I want to plant a flower here. Very amazing flower. You know, this landscaping. Yeah, man. Jamaican boy, Africa. Yeah, greetings you from Africa, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, whatever you are. Yeah, Jamaican boy, Africa. Yeah, man. What? This is my nephew. All of them are my nephew. This is Maxwell. What's your name?
Alex.
Ogora. Alex Ogora is here, guys. Yes, he was not around. He was at Kiss. Where kuja? Where are you going? What's your name?
My name is Barak.
Angalia camera. When you talk, you have to look for the camera, okay? What's your name?
My name is Barak.
Okay. Baraka who?
Barak Ogora.
Ogora. Okay, guys, he's fearing the camera. That's why you see he's saying, my name is Baraka. See, look, Max. My name is Baraka. My name is Baraka. You know? Yeah. You have to say my name is Baraka Muita. Ama wewe si Baraka Muita? Eh? Okay, don't fear the camera. Maxi anakushinda ama unataka usikie Maxi? Maxi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Maxwell.
Maxwell.
Eh.
Okay. Today you want us to go to swim? Okay. At Rambo there. No, you will come sick. Today no, eh? Or we will go. Whichever. Okay, let's wait and see how the weather will be, guys, today. And I may take you. Yeah, kindly is a chilly morning right now here. Yeah, and we have started working, manual work here and there. Yes, Jamaican boy here with jembe, and I have my nephew here. Yes, just doing a landscaping here. Ebu chimba hapo, endelea na hapa. Aeroplane is here, guys. Oh my god. You know, he look like Chris. Is ongoing, but the house here inside we have already complete inside, guys. As you can see, kindly we have already finished plastering and putting the floor down. Yeah, you look. Yeah, this is how it is, guys. This is how it is. Yeah, very nice. So my mom, she's about to enter inside here, but she can't enter while she can't enter while we have not put any, like we have not put furniture inside, you know. Yes. Chris is sick. Yeah, he's sick, so he's taking the medicine. Show them the medicine. Yeah, Panadol. Why are you sick? Eh? Unaumwa wapi?
Kichwa.
Okay, headache, guys. He's suffering from headache. From headache. Yeah, this is our village, guys. This is our village. You see, we have another home here. New home is here, and another new home is there. Very prepared. Yeah, they are preparing it. Yeah, so this is the mason here, our home here. Yeah, so kindly as you can see. Yeah, this is our village. This is how it look like, guys. Is it very cool? Look how it look like, Maramba. Look how it look like.
Ilikuwa inapita? Kidogo sana.
Hii haijapita mbili. Mko hapa na fundi wako? Mwanafunzi.
Mimi mwanafunzi, I'm training this guy.
Oh, you are training him.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, the Matthew is training T9. T9 today he's in class. Not
I'm
that.
in classing.
Yeah. Yeah, today he's in class. Today is a student. He wants to know how to make a plaster. Yeah. Yeah, and you know even Mayuguno was a handman. Was assisting the mason.
Yeah.
After that, he joined the YouTube. He grew. Right now, he's a star. Yeah. Mayugno. Somebody, YouTuber from Nyabohansi. Yes.
Yeah, now
He's a star now. He buy Range Rover just juzi hapa alinunua Range Rover.
nilisikia wewe jamaa. Watu wameenda viwango.
Bana. Alikuanga mtu wa mkono wa mjengo. Akarudi akaiva, akaanza kujenga.
Hivi wangu itapanda vipi?
Akaanza kujenga.
Hii vitu itafika hadi lini mpaka
Itapanda. Si wewe saa hii ni fundi. Itaenda sasa, wewe ni kazi utakuwa unashika. Watu wanaenda kupiga kazi.
Tunajenga sasa.
Wewe
unakuwa engineer?
Wewe ni engineer sasa.
Usikate tamaa.
Maisha ni hivyo yana change.
Never give up in life.
Never give up. Yes, never give up. You know guys, kindly today I have very smooth mason here. The top mason in village.
Yeah, in fact.
He's called Matthew.
Matthew, yeah.
Yeah, Matthew. Matthew is your name. Your real name.
Exactly.
Matthew. You know guys, Matthew is Matayo. Matthew alifanya nini kwa Bible? I have someone here called Joash. Leave that man Joash.
Matayo, alikuwa ni mwanafunzi wa Yesu.
Oh, Matayo, He was a taxman. Oh, Matayo was a taxman. So it means he changed his name. From Matthew to Navy. Oh. Mimi naye ukweli. Mimi najua tu hizo maneno na Saint Luke kidogo. Story ya Yesu sijui yote, lakini najua kidogo.
Unajua yote. Muraga umetoa nguo. Yari na muraga. Naona kitu kama hapo mchango niambia tia. Mchango wa plasta nao. Ulalamike hivyo fundi wangu. Basi. Napata fundi nani mwingine hapa tunaelewana basa hapa. Kama sio wewe na Fo. Paulo.
Anaendanga kazi Matayo. Saa yako wapi? Kindly the Kinyambis is here guys. Yeah, the Kinyambis. Amori. Kaka.
After long lilo, we're finishing.
Guys, look.
Yeah. We are here, very bad.
Yeah, very bad animal.
Very bad. Yeah.
Very bad animal, guys. Yeah. This is our transportation here in the village. Exactly. Very mafia.
Very
I'm here with the
Elisha Kim Rasta.
I
can talk something. Talk something.
Yes.
Yo guys.
Yeah.
I'm the village.
Yeah.
Of Jamaican boy. I have come to greet.
Yeah. And you are crying.
I'm not crying because of what?
Oh, because of the. But you know, it's advisable that you wear
He's
the
my
helmet.
closer friend of mine. That's why I like
You wear the helmet while driving.
I don't have the helmet. That's why
Sasa hemugu tunambe tu. The tall man is here, guys.
Yes,
Sheriff.
I'm Bruno Sheriff.
Yes.
Very best. I know how to drip, guys.
Very big
So
man.
long as I'm area, because okay.
Yeah. What's up? Yeah, here we are preparing to leave. We want to go, me with my nephew, want to go there in the river. Tunaenda kwa mto ama kwa dam? Ni dam ama tunaenda kwa mto? Tunaenda River Migori ama tunaenda kwa dam? So kindly guys, here I'm at my home here. Yes, I'm here at my home. Look my mom house here. How the progress is. Yes. Yes, the house here is fully complete, but not fully complete because we have to paint it. Yeah, I have to paint it first, then after painting it, so he can live. She can live, not he. Yeah, she can live, baby. She can live, baby. They were pouring water inside. Yes, this is the progress, guys. This is the progress. This is the progress. I'm in my home here. Yeah. I'm here with the Baraka and my nephew called Maxwell. Yeah, so kindly guys, stay tuned. Watch the video till the end. I'm here with the Gabriel. Unaitwa nani? Alex Kichain. Kichain? Wewe ni Kichain?
Mimi ni
Ongea Kiswahili. Acha Kikisi. Ondicho kutoka wapi? What's your name? Alex Ogora. Where is your home? Your home is where? Where we come from? Where you come from? Hey. Ondieki. And you? What's your name?
I'm Duncan.
Duncan. Unaitwanga nani jina yako?
Duncan.
Duncan ni nani?
Bora chacha.
Nani alikuita Duncan?
Ni hivyo ni alikadi kwa baba.
Na Baraka ilitoka wapi?
Sijui.
Nani alikuandika eti wewe ni Duncan?
Mama.
Kwa certificate. Akatoa Baraka.
Akaandika Duncan.
Ana change. Hey, okay, now guys, yeah, here we are on the way going to the where are we going?
The dam.
The dam. Guys, we are going to the dam to take shower. We are going to take shower to the dam. You know my nephew Baraka here and Nani Ogora. Yeah, we are going with them and Maxwell. Maxwell is here. Yeah, Maxi, how are you? You're fine? Why are you looking like Kirongo? Kirongo guy.
Kirongo ni nini?
Kirongo guys.
Swim.
Yeah.
Swimming.
Swimming? Okay, so kindly guys, stay tuned. The video is very amazing here, very amazing. You know, here I'm in village. I am in village, guys. So kindly stay tuned. I'm going to take baths. Yeah, there and enjoy, you know. Yeah, my name is Jamaican Boy Africa. If you are new in this channel, if you are new to see in this face here right now, kindly please subscribe, comment, enjoy till the end. This tobacco, you don't need a kumbat. Guys, this is tobacco. This is tobacco, guys. Look, this is tobacco. And here, when you see someone plants tobacco, they are planting for cash crop. And the maize is here for eating. Maize is for eating, guys. Maize is for eating, as you can see. Yes, so kindly we are on the way. Me with my nephew, someone called Babule. What's that? Hiyo ni pangale. Mapangale. Hey, kimugu kiriponanga. Hey, kimugu. Nirikishughulikianga. Yeah, so kindly guys, stay tuned. Yeah, the video here is very amazing. Yeah, the village life. Yeah, stay tuned and see how the village life is very amazing. Yeah, it's very amazing, guys. Kindly, we are on the way. Yeah, on the way here, guys. Yeah. Yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, we are going there, yeah, in the bush. As you can see the bush there. Yeah, that bush. I think the dam is inside the bush there. Inside there. guys, very cool, very cool, very cool, very cool guys here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I am even afraid. Oh my god, oh my god, very dangerous. I'm in very dangerous bush. Oh my god. And I'm trying to call, no one is applying, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's up guys? What's up guys? My name is Jamaican Boy Africa. Jamaican Boy Africa. You know, I was with my nephew, but I don't look them. Kindly stay tuned, stay tuned, don't scroll the video, stay tuned, oh stay tuned, guys, Jamaican Boy Africa, yeah, my name is Jamaican Boy Africa. Kindly guys stay tuned, the video is very amazing, very amazing. Yeah, I've decided to take you a tour here. I'm going just down here. Yeah, just down here. So stay tuned. We go together. Kindly guys, you know, after I have do my small job there at home. Yeah, so today kindly I think I was free because the mason didn't come, guys. So I'm here just going to take bath very early so that I can go. You know, we don't have a power in our village. Yeah, so after taking shower, I have come this early. It's around 1. It's around 1 p.m. Yes, so it's early. So I've come with my nephew. My nephew have already go. They have already go. So I'm back here alone, telling you my story. Yeah, sharing with you my people, my story. Oh, you good. I can say this never. No corner. I am just a straight man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know, no corner. Yeah, Jamaican boy here. I can say no corner. I don't like corner. I like straightforward. I like to be straightforward, you know. Yeah, so kindly stay tuned. Watch my video. If it's your first time, if your first time to see this video, kindly guys subscribe, like, comment, enjoy watching the video. Watch the video till the end. The video is very amazing. Yeah, the video is very wow, guys. Kindly, yeah, man. Yeah man, yeah man. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. Una na na na. Yeah, so kindly stay tuned. Today I'm with my nephew, but my nephew have already go. Yeah, my nephew have already go. They are there now. I think so. Oh, they are not replying. What's happening? What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? So, oh my God, I've already reached. Kindly, guys, you know you are my good people watching my video from there. They are from there. They are. Yeah, so kindly let's go together. I'm taking you around the village. Yeah, Gilbert Gekonyo Nkonyo is here, guys. Kindly, we have arrived. Wewe msiogere kwenda huko, hapa hivi karibu. Msiende huko, hapa hivi karibu. So kindly, guys. Hey. Mr. Gekonyo Gilbert is here. Wapi nini Barak? Sasa tungejua tungekuja na kitu hata tupike leo hapa. Tunafanya aje?
Ugali.
Hata tungepika. Nikakosa kukuja hata na pesa, ningewatuma matunda. Si masaba ni hapo hivi. Mungekatia hapo mulete matunda hapa tukule. So kindly, guys, I'm in a lively. It's not a liver, this is a dam. Yeah man. Musiogere kwenda mbali. Hapa tu karibu. Yeah man. Yeah, so what's up guys? Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Yeah, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Jamaican Boy Africa. Yeah, my name is Jamaican Boy Africa. Kindly, guys, yeah, you know, I like the way, guys, you really support me by watching. Yeah, and please kindly like my video, subscribe my video, please. If you watch my video, like, subscribe, enjoy watching to the end. Yeah, you just watch to the end, guys. Yeah, and enjoy. So kindly right now here, guys, I'm here just relaxing and telling you the story. Jamaican, yeah, Jamaican. Ooh, Jamaican, Jamaican. I'm Jamaican boy, Jamaican. Jamaican, Jamaican, Jamaican boy, Jamaican, Jamaican. Oh, Jamaican, my name is Jamaican boy, Jamaican, Jamaican, Jamaican. Jamaican boy, Jamaican. What's up? Thank you for staying tuned. Jamaican boy here is enjoying looking you. Stay tuned, enjoying watching my video. My good people, my lovely people, I'm here. My love, you my subscriber. You show love, to subscribe my video. Yeah, I'm here, Jamaican boy. Just back new. You watch my video. You watch my video. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm here just Yeah, chilling and giving you the story. My nephew are there just enjoying. Enjoy! 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 Yeah. Yeah, they are enjoying, guys. They are enjoying, guys. Yeah, so very amazing. Very amazing, guys. Very amazing, guys. Yeah, very amazing, guys. Kindly stay tuned. Watch the video till the end. Stay tuned. Watch the video till the end. The video is very amazing. The video is very amazing. Amazing video. Oh my baby. I love you, baby. Oh my baby, I love you, baby. Oh my baby, I love you, baby. Oh my baby. If you are enjoying the video, please kindly click the dark subscribe. Stay tuned. Don't scroll the video. Watch the video till the end. The video is very amazing, baby. I'm here just giving the story, baby. Yeah. My name is Jamaican Boy Africa. I love Jamaica. I love US. I love everywhere. I love you, baby. I love everywhere. I love you, baby. Yeah. Enjoying watching. Okay, Yamalo. Yeah, they are enjoying their guys. Yeah. I am very happy. I am very happy for you people for watching. Yeah, you know guys, yeah, I really love you, my people from all over the world, my people from everywhere, my world, everywhere from the world, my people. I really love you the way you stay tuned. You show love for me and for many YouTube. You show love by watching video. You show love, hey, 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 you show love, hey. You show love, hey, you show love, hey, yeah, so kindly guys, stay tuned. I'm here just to entertain you, my people. I love you, my people. I need you, my people. Stay tuned, my people. My people. My people. Let me go some push up here. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, 8. Yeah, man. So everything here is alright. Everything is okay. My people, they are enjoying swimming. They are enjoying swimming. They are enjoying swimming. Yeah, my nephew. So right now me here, I'm in a cool place, just entertain my people, people. My people. My people. Yeah, kindly my nephew are there. My nephew. Munaota sasa jua. Birongo. Look that one. I know them all. We are living together. I'm taking care. Right now I'm taking care all of them. Yeah, all of them. Chris, Baraka, Babu, Maxwell. So today I've just come with them here. They have, the two of them are visitors, and the Gilbert Kichoro Yanchama is there. Yeah, so I have come with them just to enjoy. To enjoy. They tell me that they have missed to enjoy. They have missed to enjoy. Yeah, and so that's why I'm here with them. You just look, this dam is very huge, very big dam, very huge, very huge, very huge, and dangerous, and dangerous, and dangerous, and look. Woo! Woo! Yes, yes, yes. Practice make perfect. Practice make perfect. Practice make perfect. Practice make perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, guys, I don't have money for going gym. Please, kindly, if you can support me to go to the gym, support me. The gym here at our village here, you have to sit, you have to be transported. It's very far. You have to sit on motorbike, so that you reach there. Is in the town. Yeah, so from here to the town we pay 500 shillings. Yeah, 500 shillings to go. That's the transport of go and come back. Just 500 bob only, guys. If you can support me. And the paying gym is 500 only. 500 only, baby. Only you, my baby. Only you, my everything. Only. Okay, if you can support me so that I can go to the gym and I make the chest. Let me show you my chest. My chest is it's not such big. Yes. Oh my god. You see? Here. Yeah, so kindly, guys. Yeah, I'm here. Just telling you the story. Yeah, so if I don't know if I can draw the tattoo here. It can sing very nice. I don't know. I draw tattoo, or I go to the gym so that I make myself to be very very huge. Yeah, I can. Yes, I can. Yeah, if I get someone to pay for me, like to go to gym, to practice, to make practice. You know, right now even I'm hearing here pain. I'm hearing pain here, guys. Very much pain I'm hearing here right now. So kindly, if I go to the gym, I can make myself to be very like, you know, I like to have some body. Yeah, you know the diamond body, diamond platinum body. I want my body to be like that, guys. Jamaica, I need for USA now. I put here, and Kenya, I have for Kenya. This for Jamaica. I need for USA. For USA, I put here. Yeah, man. My people, stay tuned. Watch the video till the end, my people. Yeah, man. So, let me do some press up here. 1, 2, 3. 8, 1, 2. Ooh. Yeah, guys, kindly, yeah, stay tuned. Watch the video till the end. The video is very amazing, very amazing, my people. Yeah, so everything is okay, everything is right. I don't never give up. They all say never give up. Everything is right, everything is okay. Yeah, never give up. Hey, never give up. So me, I never give up. I know that one day I will be swimming in Lake Victoria there. One day I will be swimming in a beach. You know, right now, you know, this life of village, guys, you have to do what's supposed to do. Now, you know, I don't have you know, if I have to get money, I have to go in a swimming pool there and pay swimming pool so that I swim. Yeah, you know, yeah. So it's because I don't have money, and it's because, yes, I really like the village life. Yeah, you know, this is the normal life, guys. Yeah, to swim is a normal life. Yeah, it's not bad to swim and enjoy. Yeah, man. Jamaican boy Africa here. Yeah, just chilling here. Yeah, and I give you the far and original star, baby. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh baby, when I wake up in the morning, hey, I feel your love, baby. Oh baby, when I wake up in the morning, hey, I feel your love, baby. I like the way you support me. I like the way you go it. I like the way you just do it. I like the way you like me. I like the way you support. I like the way you subscribe. I like the way you watch till the end. I like the way you support me. Hey, oh baby, when I wake up in the morning, hey, I feel your love, baby. I feel your love, baby. Hey, I feel your love, baby. Oh baby, when I wake up in the morning, Hey, I feel your love. Hey, was. Yeah, you know I want to be fitty. You know fitty? Yeah, when just someone bring whoa, you just give him a ta 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 ta. Yeah, by the way, I want to just go on the train. I want to train some, yeah, you know? Yeah. Yeah, kindly guys stay tuned. The video is very amazing here. I'm around the village and I'm around the dam. Yeah, so you know what? I want to take a bath, baby. I want to take a bath. After taking bath, I'm going. Yes. Yeah, one day, yes, I will be swimming at the beach. In Mombasa beach. I've even never go to Mombasa, guys. Very this money, hey guys, but I'm going to make it. I know what you know. There is a song singing that never give up, never give up, never give up, never give up. Kindly guys stay tuned, never give up. The video is very amazing here, very amazing. And you know what? I love you all my people. My people from Jamaica, how are you? What's up, nigga? What's up, big up? Yeah, man. My name is Jamaican Boy Africa here. Kindly stay tuned. Yeah, man. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Guys, niwapeleke na ring. Unajua ni nini? Hapa kama ni technique guys. Bad man in the village. Yeah, bad man in the village, you know. Yeah, right now, kind of guys, you know, I tell you that no stress here. Yeah, if someone just come at you, whoa, yeah, I just bring him on the yeah, so kindly guys, no, don't fear. I can't fight you, my people. Yeah, it was just entertaining. I was entertaining you people. Guys, kindly, you are my people. I was entertaining you. Yeah, kindly let me piggering you my rap. Here in Ibisara, look. Na hii njia sasa ni hivi usanye bara. Magabe. Oh my God, no place where someone can pass. I was needing to pass like hapa hatuwezi pita mpaka tutoe viatu. Si ile siku nilipita nikaenda Korobia huko. Ile pampu iko na maji.
Imeharibika.
Oh, ile ndio ningeenda munipigie nioge huko kwa pampu. Hapo watu wanaoganga hapo man.
Hapo wanarudi.
Hapo kweli ni pasafi, mtu anaweza oga hapo. Kana na marabu hake. Maxi akachafu kari.
Tupatana yale ni watu masafi.
Huko mbele ni masafi.
Kushinda.
Huko?
Huko ni masafi kushinda.
Huko ni kivuli munaona ya miti. Amuone ni kivuli ya miti munaona.
Sisi ndo tunaogelea hadi huko.
Hapa ni pachafu.
Kibose yenyewe.
Ona ni pochafu. Ni. Naweka karaka boss. Unisamehe mimi. Unisamehe.
Yeah, just feeling good with my nephew here. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, so kindly guys, enjoy. The village life here is very nice. Yeah. The village life here is very nice. Very nice. And also I need the msaada guys for you what? Not the msaada, no. I need the msaada of subscribe. I need your support of subscribe guys. I'm going this hard because I want you to enjoy. I want you to be happy. Yeah. That's why I'm going this hard. Yeah, in the sun. Yeah, entertaining you. Yeah, doing everything because I want you just to be entertained. I want you to be happy. Yeah, so kindly guys, stay tuned. Everything here is okay. Everything is alright. Yeah, stay tuned guys. I love you my people. I love you my subscribers. Stay tuned till we talk bath together and we go home together. Wazombi. Fika karibu tuone. What have you applied in your soil? Hey, I don't even see you well. Let me see you. Hey, how you? Na Simba Loma Simba Dangote. Hey, guys. Very enjoying.
Terus aja. Terus. Andangan.
Baik.
Harus ya. Kita usik urusin.
Malaysia.
Kita banyak.
Aish. Yes. So kindly, guys, stay tuned. Yeah, watch the video till the end, and let me say thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Welcome back again to my new latest video. Is coming very amazing than this, than all that I have made. Yeah, so kindly thank you my people. God bless you my people. I'm really very happy. I'm very happy for this. Yeah, what, because you have watched the video. I'm very happy. Kindly, guys, big up. Watch again the video. It's very amazing. Welcome again. Yeah, watch. Yeah, and thank you for watching, because you have watched my video. Yeah, I'm really thank you my people. Big up. Yes, and let's meet in another video. Yes.